Man, it's all love. 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 What's the word, yo? You see the Wingstop, right? You see the Wing? You see the Wingstop, bro? Come on, like, look at it, like the brown bag. You already know the vibe. We doing? All right, we taking. All right, come on, hurry up, nigga. You taking mad long, bro? All right. We taking the bag out. I mean, the food out. As you can see, we got the, what's that? We just took something out. Alright, that's probably the fries. Nah. That was a sandwich. You look like we. Hurry up, bro. You're chatting, bro. Like, bro, just take the stuff out the bag and let's just see what's going on. Like, you doing the most. Alright, so it looked like the sandwich. Yeah. Ooh, yo. Peep the sandwich. Got the sandwich right there. It's a little, I gotta go call her. Look at that. Yeah. Alright, it's starting to look like we just looking for what's going on with the sandwich and stuff. Like, yo, bro, this thing is taking forever. Oh, look at that. Oh, alright. Oh, I know. I can still taste the bite. Come on, yeah, You know the sandwich good when you feel me, the side of your mouth pose. Nah, never mind. I'm about to say, yeah, never mind. But yeah, that's looking good. One more. Without the ranch. Yeah, get in there. Oh, yeah, bro. Ooh, I know that one was good, bruh. Look at you. What? Ooh. I'm digging that. Yeah. It was so good. I can't breathe. Oh, nah. This is a dream. Yeah, bro. I feel like the fries be mid because it's like coming, like when it comes to me type shit. It get cold on the way type shit. I mean, yeah.
I can't watch.
Right.
Oh, it's not here like this. Is it good?
So good. Like I can't stop. Like I just gotta keep chewing.
Just stuffing your face on.
Nah, I'm making love right now.
Oh no, not on camera.
Mhm. I'm having sex right now with my mouth. Oral sex.
Oh,
See?
no.
I just nutted all over me. I'm trying to tell you.
Just
Look,
put
y'all
it
gotta
down.
see that bite, bro.
Just put it
I said
down.
it's juicy. Watch. Mm. 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 This is crazy. Like the flavors is. Oh.
The flavors is.
Hold on. Damn.
You got a little something right there on facing me.
If only the fries is good, bro. Alright. Yo, you gotta try it, bro. They usually, you know how sometimes like you try some food, you try one time it's good, and you try it again and it be mid.
Uh-huh.
This is the first food I've ever tried. First time back to back, and it's fucking 11 out of 11, bro. This is
Oh,
crazy.
it's a whole different flavor. What are you talking about?
Mm?
It's a whole different flavor this time.
Yeah, and it's still good. You feel me?
Where's your napkin?
In my mouth. Hmm. Mm-mm. This is not good, bro. Highly
Wendy
recommend.
said to me,
This is better than Wendy's chicken sandwich. Um, McDonald's chicken sandwich. Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich. This is better than. I want to try all the flavors now. This is better than Popeye's chicken sandwich. Like this compared to Popeyes is like Popeyes. This makes Popeyes mid. Like I don't ever wanna. If I'm feeling a chicken sandwich, I want to feel this one. Like, mhm,
"Dad, how did you say? So how's the chicken? How's the chicken?
yeah, the chopped up people taste good.
The people.
Mhm, we really be eating people. You don't be eating chicken.
I can hear a sort now.
Mm?
A sort? Because you just said people.
Mhm. Calling me Dama. That's really so crazy how they mentioned him and we was singing that song like nothing ever happened. We didn't even know who he was. That's how you know when we hear shit, we don't look it up. It's- Damn. Mhm.
Why is your fries crunchy?
Cause it's cold as shit.
Oh
It's
no.
cold as shit and hard as shit.
Mhm.
These type of fries, you got Or should I want still you gotta eat it once it come out the pot? Hmm. It's not like McDonald's fries where it could take a little while and and still be fire. I like McDonald's fries warm. I don't like that hot. Like I would rather wait to eat my food. Not I don't know. Probably like the 20 minutes. Mhm. Mhm.
Hey,
I don't think I could ever win a contest, a eating contest.
well, it looked like you came. The way you shoving it.
Mm-mm. I'm gonna get chest burns and shit. I can't shoot fast.
Look at you eating it.
Hmm?
So look how you eat your fries. Fred, hey, eat the fries too.
Hmm?
Just shoving fries down your throat.
Yo, well, I'm done now. You see? Mm-hmm. That was valid.
And how was the meal? How was the whole meal?
10 out of 10. Highly recommend.
What about the french fries?
The fries?
Uh-huh.
6 out of 10. Could have been better. Way better than it is. Like
You think it's
I've had it out the pot before, like out the pot, and it was bad. But when you gotta wait, it's ass.
Do you think your sandwich had enough sauce?
Yeah, that shit was perfect. Too much. If it had a little bit more, it would have been OD. But it was good. I would try lemon pepper. I'm gonna try the lemon pepper next.
Oh, just start garlic parmesan.
What you say?
Try garlic